Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shushma Sarila, consulting homeopath at Fideicus Homeopathy. Today we are doing the second part of the fibroid series, which is nothing but infertility or pregnancy problems in fibroids. So if you are someone who is wanting to get pregnant or wanting to have a conception, or if you're someone who is unmarried and you're recently going to get married and you're thinking about babies, then this video is for you. There are certain conditions where there is abortion due to fibroids, where there is conception problem due to fibroids, and there is also another condition where even though we have fibroids also, there is conception, there is implantation, and there is also normal vaginal delivery of the baby. So what are these conditions and how these fibroids will affect your pregnancy or the fertility issues we will be dealing in this video. Why are we dealing or why are we doing this video as such? See, we have a lot number of patients who are coming to us, especially unmarried people and also people who are recently married who are looking for conception or having pregnancy problems. So in order to answer their questions and also in order to educate people on the fertility issues regarding fibroids, we are doing this video. So let's dive into the topic to know more about it. What are fibroids? Fibroids are nothing but they are non-cancerous growths. Okay, so they are non-cancerous. By meaning non-cancerous, I do not mean that there is no case where there has not been registered that a fibroid has converted into cancerous condition. There are cases, but there are a very rare number of cases where the fibroid can turn into a cancerous one, but there are certain conditions you need for that. So today we are only going to discuss about the fertility issues and fibroids. Remember that turning it into a cancer is a very rare condition. So it is non-cancerous in nature, consisting of muscle and fibrous tissue. It can range in size of a grain of rice, that it can be as small as a grain of rice or it can become as big as a melon also. So all of this constitute the description of fibroid. If you're someone who is experiencing fibroids and watching a video, if you want to have a good cure for your symptoms as such, you should be choosing Fideicus Homeopathy. In Fideicus Homeopathy, we have two kinds of consultation options. One is the online consultation if you're staying far away from the nearest branch of Fideicus, and in-person consultation if you're staying near the nearest branch of Fideicus. In online consultation, we have two options. One is the audio consultation and the second one is the video consultation. You can approach us through either one of it. And also, after the consultation has been done, and if you're having any sort of investigations already done, you can share it with us. After the case taking and the doctor consultation, the medicines will be delivered to you, especially to the online clients. Home delivery will be done. If you're staying in India, it will take 3 to 4 business days for our medicines to reach your doorstep. If you're staying in USA, it can take 3 to 5 business days. Across the globe, it can take 4 to 8 business days. If you want to contact us, you can contact us to the given number here, either through WhatsApp, either through call, or either through message. Okay. And if you want to know more about Fideicus Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fideicus.com. If you are experiencing any sort of fibroid issues, infertility, or female reproductive diseases like endometriosis, adenomyosis, chocolate cyst, or hemorrhagic cyst, PCOD, PCOS, dysmenorrhea, which is painful periods. If you're looking for cure, Fideicus Homeopathy is the answer. Why is it that you should choose Fideicus Homeopathy? Because Fideicus Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Here we follow 3 principles. First, the reason for doing this video is itself because of the high and good amount of success rates that we are having in this female reproductive organ diseases. Second is the transparent treatment where there is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. We will be discussing you in detail about your prognosis. And the third thing is the personal care. The personal care here at Fideicus is really top notch. The reason for this video is because of the personal care. That is because in-persons or the online clients have asked us so much of questions that we wanted to do a video in order to convey it and also in order to educate other people. So the personal care, we will be discussing in detail all of your myths. We will be busting it and we will be educating you. So if you want to choose cure, if you want to have an answer for all of your diseases, Fideicus Homeopathy is the answer. So choose Fideicus Homeopathy if you want to choose cure. Thank you.